Hello friends, my name is Saket Patel. Today I am going to teach you how to design Rook, which is used in chess games. For more design related problems and models, please subscribe to my channel. First we have to click on the file and then new one. For we have to select the part 1 and press OK. First we have to check the units. Let us take as we have to design millimeters. Select front plane and select sketch. We have to do first center line, then select normal line. From center line we have to draw a line horizontally, the end point of the first line, draw a line vertically, and then again back horizontal line ending at center line. Again draw horizontal line from center line. So we have to give the dimension. The first horizontal line let us taken as 15 millimeter. The vertical dimension is 3 millimeter, and this line horizontal dimension 13 millimeter. The vertical dimension of these two lines is 2 millimeters. Select lines and joining the end point of these two lines. Now another line drawn horizontally ending at center line, little vertical line, and then again horizontal line ending at center line. Then these two lines vertical dimension taken as 8.97 millimeter, and these two line vertical dimension is taken as 1 millimeter. So we have to draw a half curve section here. So select the 3-point arc, select first point and then second point and click randomly outside. Dimension of this arc is 6 millimeter radius and dimension is 10 millimeter. Again select line and make a horizontal line ending at center line. The vertical dimension of line is 2 millimeter and horizontal line is 8 millimeter. Select 3-point arc and by selecting these 2 points we have to draw the half arc. Again select line, make a horizontal line ending at center line. The dimension of these two lines is taken as 34.2 millimeter and horizontal distance is 8.5 millimeter. After the selecting 3-point arc, select first point, select second point and select randomly outside. Then this arc dimension is 50 millimeter. Again select line and draw horizontal line ending at center line. Again draw a line ending at center line. These two lines vertical distance is 3.32 millimeter. Horizontal distance is 11.5 millimeter. and again vertical distance is 2.5 millimeter and horizontal distance is 13 millimeter. Again select 3-point arc, select first point, select second point. After that select line ending two end points of these lines. Extend this central line above. Select again lines, select horizontal line ending at center line. The dimension of these two lines is 18 millimeter and this horizontal dimension is 13 millimeter. Ending of these two lines, extend center line. Now we have to draw select line, then draw a vertical line now. We have drawn half section of rook, so we have to revolve about this vertical line, and that's why we have to select features and then select revolve boss slash base and select this vertical line axis of revolution, taken as this object which will revolve about this line. So in contours we have to select these geometries. Little modification on top of the design. Select this region and select sketch, make it normal, draw a circle, dimension is 17 millimeter of the circle diameter. Draw another circle, and dimension of this circle is 26. Draw a center line from the mid of the circle. Then select offset entities and select this center line. By selecting bidirectional line, we have to get both side offset entities. Dimension is 3.5 millimeter and then select OK. Now we have to remove unwanted lines, so select trim entities and by pressing and move the cursor, so that's why we have to remove unwanted lines. Now select circular sketch pattern. In this select these two lines. Total number of patterns is 4 and rotate about 360 degrees and then select OK. After that we have to trim entities. Select trim and trim unwanted circular line and then select OK. After that we have to cut that portion of our sketching from the top of the design. So we have to select extrude cut. The cutting portion is 5 mm deep, so we have to take dimension is 5 mm and select OK. And draw a circle. The dimension is 17 millimeter diameter and then extrude cut it for 5 mm. Select this surface, make it normal, and then draw a circle which has a diameter of 19 millimeter. Then cut it down for 3 millimeter. Select chamfer and then select these edges. And select the dimension is 1 millimeter. Then OK. We have to complete our design. For color of this object, select edit appearance and then select OK. So finally we have to draw chest part rook in this design. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in another video.